Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Buksan po natin ang ating mga Biblia sa aklat po ng Hebrews chapter 13 verse 2. Do not forget to entertain strangers, for by so doing some have unwittingly entertained angels. Our topic for this morning is open doors. May mga panahon po may mga strangers sa buhay natin, no? Not knowing na sila pala ay mga anghel. Now, open door is the starting point of an open heart. Minsan kasi iniisip natin na gusto natin tumulong pero takot tayo, di ba? Takot tayo because they might be thieves or they might be mga murderers. Hindi natin alam kasi. Kaya takot tayong magbukas ng pinto. But remember this, there are times that when you feel something great in your heart, open your door and let someone come in and offer them a drink. As God's people, we are called to be hospitable to others as part of our gratitude for our salvation or for the salvation we have received from God. It's a way that we say, thank you God for saving me. I will open my door for other people. Nais ko pong iparating na yung buhay po natin sa mundong ito is napakaiksi lang po. At kung may panahon po tayo na maging hospitable sa mga taong nakapalibot sa atin, then let's start to become hospitable. At kung may mga strangers man na darating sa ating bakuran, then why not stop for a moment and talk, And you can feel, because the Spirit of God is with you, then you can discern whether this man is good or not, no? Let the Spirit of God help you to discern the kind of man. Last word po, people with a heart for God have a heart for people. Kung ang puso natin nakatuon sa Panginoon, remember this, our heart will also be with the people of God. At gusto ng Panginoon maging instrument tayo para sa ibang tao. God bless po at magandang umaga.
That's what this song